Good afternoon. You're welcome to Direct Press Consult. How can we help you?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm here to make an inquiry.
Oh, please, you're welcome. Please, can you have your seat?
Thank you so much.
So just hold on. Let me just talk to someone that will attend to you.
It's all right.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Direct Press Consult. How may we help you?
Please
have a seat.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm here to make an inquiry about the Derrick Christ.
Okay. So how did you hear about us?
I've been seeing you guys the post and the online.
Okay,
events.
that's nice. Derrick Crest is an edu travel consultancy firm. We work with select institutions across the globe to make travel abroad opportunities available to young Nigerian youths who are interested in traveling abroad. To make it easier for you to understand, please follow me to our mission board to explain more about what the company stands for.
Wow.
At Derrick Crest Consult, we offer career counseling services. We make sure that our students or our clients are provided with expert explanations. We understand that you are traveling to a new country where you know little or nothing about the culture over there.
Yeah.
We offer cultural orientations to our students, our prospective students, to help them better understand and assimilate into the system as they move into a new environment. We also help out with the application processes. Here we link our students with experts in the field of general application. These experts would help the students arrange their documents and put them in order so that schools would find it easier to get students and students would find it easier to get admission into these schools. Other areas are education and career opportunities, customized solutions, and also tutoring when you carry out your IELTS exams for English certification. We are not agents. We pride ourselves as a consultancy firm. We work with students to make sure that they get in touch with credible universities and are not scammed of their money.
Follow us on our Instagram at Derrick Crest Consult, or you can call any of the numbers on the screen. At Derrick Crest Consult, your tomorrow starts now.